Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest, expert beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into something a bit different, but just as important for many of you, the Braun Electric Razor for men, specifically the Series 9 9330s model. This is a rechargeable, wet and dry foil shaver that comes with a travel case and a 5-piece set designed to handle everything from precision beard trimming to a smooth shave. Since this is a men's grooming tool, my husband tested this out for us to bring you a thorough and trustworthy review. So let's get into what makes this shaver stand out. Braun markets it as the world's most efficient electric shaver, featuring 5 shaving elements that aim to capture more hair with each stroke compared to other models. The shaver smartly adapts to face contours and varying beard densities, maximizing skin contact for a closer shave. It boasts a 60-minute battery life on a full charge, with the handy option of a quick 5-minute charge for a single shave. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can use it dry or wet, with foam, gel, or even in the shower. The titanium coating adds durability and corrosion resistance, which is great for longevity. Now, jumping into real-world use. My husband found the ergonomic design comfortable to hold, which made maneuvering around tricky jaw lines and neck areas easier. The 5 shaving elements did a noticeable job picking up hairs on the first pass, which is a big plus for those of us who know how frustrating multiple passes can be on sensitive skin. The wet and dry functionality was a hit, especially using it with shaving gel in the shower. It felt smooth, didn't tug, and left his skin irritation-free. The quick charge feature was especially useful on busy mornings. However, one slight downside was that the travel case, while compact, felt a bit basic and could be improved with a sturdier design for frequent travelers. Is this review helpful so far? If yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this honest insight too. Your support really helps us keep these reviews coming. On the pros side, the build quality impresses, especially with the titanium-coated foils, which promise longer durability and corrosion resistance. The adaptive shaving technology means less time spent, and the rechargeable battery offers good stamina. The waterproof feature is incredibly convenient for varied shaving preferences. On the flip side, the charging stand, while sleek, takes up a bit more counter space than some other brands, and the travel case could feel more premium considering the price point. Speaking of price, Braun Series 9 is definitely a premium electric razor. It's priced higher than many entry-level or mid-range competitors, but the advanced technology, build quality, and versatility justify the investment for men serious about grooming. For those looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, brands like Philips offer solid wet-dry shavers with slightly fewer features but at a lower price, making them suitable for everyday grooming without the bells and whistles. Comparing it to similar top-tier razors, Braun Series 9 holds its ground with cutting-edge contour adaptation and battery efficiency. While some competitors may boast faster charging or smaller form factors, few match Braun's reputation for smooth, irritation-free shaves with this level of precision. Overall, the product feels sturdy and thoughtfully engineered for longevity. My husband's beard is on the thicker side, and the shaver maintained consistent performance even after several weeks. The waterproof design also made cleaning effortless, which is always a bonus for hygiene. We didn't interact with Braun's customer service directly, but the brand has a solid reputation for responsive support and reliable warranty coverage, which adds peace of mind when investing in higher-end grooming tools. In summary, Braun Series 9 9330's electric razor delivers on its promise of a close, comfortable shave, adaptable to various beard types and shaving styles. It's an excellent choice for men seeking efficiency, durability, and flexibility, especially if you prefer the convenience of wet and dry shaving. The premium price is balanced by quality and innovation, making it worth the splurge for daily grooming enthusiasts. If you've tried this shaver or have questions about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences or help you out. You'll find a purchase link in the description or comments for easy access. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.